El Nino not only affecting the weather, it also affecting your brain. As your mobile phone affected 50% and now it's El Nino's turn. Let's try to understand how El Nino affecting on our body. As we know, El Nino is causing the dehydration, means water is going outside through the sweating. Because of that, what happened? Headache and irritability and also dehydration, fatigue, dizziness, and people unable to concentrate properly, focus is reducing. Also it can damage the sleep, disturbance can happen, digestion problem we can see, skin problem can happen, muscle cramps can happen, and heat stress, dehydration can cause the weakness of the immunity. And because of this all, we can say electrolyte imbalance can also happen. In general, when we try to understand about the electrolytes, the calcium, potassium, these kind of things go outside the body through the sweat. What is happening when the concentration of the calcium is decreasing in our body? The muscle won't be able to contract properly. So what happen? Weakness and fatigue can happen in the muscles, and muscle cramps can happen. And as we already know in many videos what is El Nino, but still I want to explain in basic scenario. The Pacific Ocean, where the wind should need to go at the side of the Australia, but they are going opposite in the direction. Because of that, the global weather is changing and the pattern of the weather is changing. So rainfall, temperature, drought, and crop stress can happen around us in India also. Okay, and risk, the food infection can cause, mental stress can cause, and anxiety we can see, vector borne diseases, respiratory issues we can see in people, and also it is causing so many other things on the globe side. And for this we need to protect ourselves, we need to take avoid to go outside in the peak sun time and dress very well, means cotton dresses are well. And cool weather, you need to be stay in the cool weather, hygiene is important, stay indoor side only, regular checkups are important. Also what you can do, what to avoid this kind of thing, food and another alcoholic junk food, you should need to avoid this kind of food. And inform your close ones so they can protect themselves.